In today's video, let's make a quick and easy breakfast or an instant evening snack recipe that is super easy to make and delicious too. Let's make this addictive chili cheese toast or one pan garlic chili cheese toast in 5 minutes. Hello and welcome to Mano Cooks. I'm your Mano and let's get started. Take a bowl and to that let's first add 3 tablespoons butter. Butter should be at room temperature. Now to that let's add 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, followed by finely chopped green chilli. I am adding 1 teaspoon chopped green chilli here, but you can add up to 1 tablespoon chopped green chilli to this. And next let's add 1/4 teaspoon red chilli flakes, after which add half green capsicum chopped finely. You can add orange or yellow bell peppers if you have. To this I am adding 1/4 teaspoon salt here. If you are using salted butter, check for the salt and then add as required. Now to this finally I am adding 1 cup grated cheese. In this stage you can also add chopped coriander leaves or parsley if you wish to. Let's mix everything very well with hand or with a spoon so that butter and cheese becomes creamy. So now our chili cheese spread is ready. Let's keep this aside. For this recipe I am taking 6 bread slices today. Now let's heat a pan and let's toast the bread slices lightly without adding any butter. Once both the sides are slightly toasted, let's take that off the pan and now let's add generous spread of our chili cheese toast masala mix. You can spread the masala mix leaving little gap near the sides as you see in the video, and also if you want you can trim the edges of the bread for this recipe. Now let's sprinkle some red chilli flakes on top and repeat the same with other slices too. And now since our bread is ready with the spread, so it's time to make our cheese toast. To the same pan let's add some butter and keep the flame on medium low and add 2 bread slices and cover and cook until the cheese melts. The butter we added right before we added our toast to the pan will make the bottom crisp and golden, and always remember to cook this on medium low flame. So now when cheese melts completely, let's open the lid and take this toast in a plate and cut into desired shape and enjoy. So making a chili cheese toast or garlic toast on pan without oven is that quick and easy. So make this any day for a quick breakfast or a lazy day brunch or an evening snack. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Mano Cooks to watch more such recipes, and click on any of the video on the screen to watch them right now. Thanks a lot for watching.